Hello everyone, myself Anisha Roy and I am an intern at Lexus and Company. I took up for this internship program that is at LexClick. That was an initiative of Lexus and Company. When I joined this internship, it was like how this internship is going to be like, what I'm going to learn, and how the faculties are going to treat us, and what kind of task we will be provided with. But by time we understood that it is not like it does not follow the old school strategies of providing internship, and but it was totally informative, and it was quite rewarding for me as well. Like if we understand that how this assignments are provided, like the assignments were also designed in such a manner that you will be given opportunity to refresh your skills. Like everyone knows that in this law field we have to keep on working, and so that we do not lack in any time, or that we should always be work oriented. And this internship was totally based upon this approach. Like we had to do sometimes 2 tasks or sometimes 3 tasks as per the requirements and as per the daily suggestions of the team leaders. So like some days you will but on every day you'll be given one video assignment and one written assignment. So this on this video assignment it was totally different for me. Like I overcome my camera fear, and if we talk about that the procrastination thing, then it is common in everyone, and like in this lockdown period everyone was trying to cope up with it. And if you took up this internship, then it was totally a good move, because if you'll be burdened, or you say the if you'll be provided with the opportunity of listening to some of the very important and knowledgeable faculty members and advocates, then why will you waste your time? Then why will you just keep on procrastinating? So this was what this internship provided and focused over. Like though it was a virtual internship, but we can say that it taught us the time management, and it also it was like I wanted to take up this internship from the very beginning, because it was totally as per my requirements of how an internship should be like. But however, if we see that what this internship could be more about and could have achieved if more improvements could be done, like more sessions could be done, and sessions, they were really informative, and I really liked every session, and I watched, and I wished I could have been able to watch some more sessions, some more live sessions, so that we could have more interaction. Because in the starting it was like there was some kind of hesitation as to how the questions are going to be asked, and how the questions are going to be considered in your point, and whether you are whether such things are relevant or not. But by time we understood that no, it is totally correct to just involve in the internship, and just take part an actual active part in such internship. Because if we understand and we go deep into this internship program, then we will see that the faculties they are totally friendly, and they are cooperative, and they will always motivate you about what you should do, what your life should be like, and what you should avoid. So it is like if we see more that what could more have been done, then I would say that this network of like-minded people could have been more and developed. Like it was, since it was virtual, so it lagged, But if we would have been able to get this opportunity of attending or having this offline internship, then it would really be helpful for everyone and for me as well. And if we could have been provided with group task and research paper task, because it would also be enlightening for us to get our research paper be evaluated by such faculties here. So in this way it could have been more helpful for us. But talking about how this internship is going to be and what are my advice towards the future intern, so I would say that just conform to the rules that are provided by the team leaders and the faculties, because it is going to provide you with the fruits, and it is your work is not going to be wasted. All your works, they are published in their website, and you will really feel very motivated when you will see your work to be published, your own non-plagiarized, your own content. And there is no such kind of pressure like you have to write in 2000 words or some other the word limit. You can write as per your wish, and even if you want to write some detailed view, then you can write. And there is no such kind of drawback or on this part, and if you want to more know about it, then I would just say that just join it, because it was really helpful for me and it is going to be helpful for you too. And before that, I would like to say that the sessions that were given to us, that provided us, that they were recorded, and it is really good for us as well in future, because we can have access to such sessions, and it is going to be fruitful for you too when you will watch them. So thank you. That's all for about my experience in this internship program, and I hope you will also like it, and thank you.